Welcome to the Universal Oracle. Did you know that consuming olive oil on an empty stomach can bring a lot of benefits to your body? Here are 5 of them. First, consuming olive oil on an empty stomach can help with weight loss. The monounsaturated fatty acids in olive oil can help reduce belly fat and increase feelings of fullness. Second, it can improve digestion and relieve constipation. The oil's properties help lubricate the digestive tract and stimulate the production of digestive enzymes. Third, consuming olive oil can prevent gastritis and ulcers. The oil has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe the lining of the stomach. Fourth, olive oil can protect the liver. The oil's antioxidants can help reduce inflammation in the liver and prevent damage from toxins. And finally, olive oil takes care of your heart. The oil's monounsaturated fatty acids can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. So, next time you're looking for a healthy breakfast option, try consuming olive oil on an empty stomach. Don't forget to like, follow, or subscribe for more health tips.